Alrighty guys, check the mess. We have moved to a new place. This is a look of it just now. Went out and bought some tarps today. Now check it out. It is mean, absolutely mean. Yeah, it's got a funky roof just now. We just moved it, there's no supports in it. I'll take you around the back. We're holding the tarps down with the old car tyres. Since we put the Lightning McQueen ones on the car, damn it, we're all stuck in. Right, there's the back of it where it was, and there's the back that's been built already. It's ready for sticking on, but we don't have the rear window, which turns out that's quite a lot of support material, so yeah, we might pause here and try and get some material. I've stuck a wet wall, bathroom wet wall stuff down underneath it here. We're going to glue it down so it's got a bit of structure to hold it all in. Some of the windows and stuff are splitting, so we're now about to just go around everything, hot glue this on and support it, and then hit the seams with some proper glue and let it set. Really debating starting to fiberglass the front. So right now this is where we are. So from the hut, where are we? From the hut all the way up the garden, and it is a monster. It's about 4 meters long. Crazy. Right, we gotta go for just now guys, so we can get some work done before the wind comes. We've got to try and seal this Harry Potter tent up before everybody thinks we're having some kind of camping party. Check it out. Loads and loads of tarps. What, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tarps, 6 tarps on it just now. Car wheels. But yeah, we're going to get it together, see if we can tape up the seams, and I really want to start fiberglassing. So yeah, as I said, I really want to fix this top rim up here. Oh, because I keep putting my finger in the way. I want to fix that top rim, and if I can fix that I might just start fiberglassing this. The lady that was bringing the CSM, she brought it, so that's an absolute bonus. She said she's going to check the channel as well, keep an eye on the build, but that'll be cool. So if you're watching, thank you very much for your CSM. It's going to come in handy for solidifying this thing. Now I've got to go and find buckets and buckets and buckets of resin. But yeah, this is it just now, and we'll get fiberglassing as soon as possible. The quicker we solidify some of it, the better. If it's out of shape, I can cut it back, bend it, fix it, repair it afterwards, so not too fussed. Okay guys, so the proverbial has hit the fan. We got our big roll. I don't even know if I showed you this, but we got our epic massive roll. This is a monster. Huge big roll of glass matting. Only got it for 60 bucks. Wow! So we got this, we mixed up the resin kit. We've totally obliterated the resin out of that. We changed the other hut through there into our new glass mat, chopping, mixing. Usually have the scales there for weighing, just to get everything ready. Now, let's go out and take a look. Okay, so far this stuff is hardened in quite good. So we've got the shape of the bonnet, and we also got the front bumper all glassed in. So just to solidify it and make it water and windproof, just so the wind's not wrecking it. Now we did come to a problem with the roof, so we've detached the windscreen off of the roof and went ahead and started fibering the whole way down the side just to get it all sealed in. Now we've ran out of fibre, so hold on. We ran out resin, not fibre, sorry. So we built the back window in Bacard. Still got bits of stuff under here to level the roof off, and because the roof's all higgledy-piggledy just now, but we built in all the rear arch. Everything's in place. Still got rear light, a bumper install. The light's on this side. I've just got a bumper install. but we are getting the shape. This side was totally mangled, but now it's starting to come back into shape. For that side there, we've got sticks inside, hot glued to the side and onto the ground, keeping it in place, just the way resin it. But guys, this is becoming real. Can't really get a picture for scale just now, because we're sneaking up along the side of it. But we are coming alive. It's a beauty. So we've got 10 kilos of resin on the way, and we'll be having a glass mat party very, very soon. So we need to get the material, cut out the templates, cut the templates out of the material and get them into place before the 10 kilos comes. Need to arrange the roof where we want it, and then we're just going to probably, I think the windscreen is a problem. It's either too big or because this part here is meant to sit more flat. We didn't like that, we like the angles coming up. So that's our fault, but we'll cut this to fit afterwards. We'll probably just rip that off, and we're just going to arrange the roof till it's straight. We'll probably just cut the cross member beams going up to the roof. The struts, we'll probably cut them off and put them in place. So just now, good progress. Not bad. Missus going crazy about Tarp City though. Right, well, I'll upload this and I'll get back to you when the resin arrives. Can't believe we're doing this in the garden, man. I built this in my bedroom.